Managing our clients' projects is a complex task with many challenges, from client request, work scoping, price estimates and client authorization, to planning work, recording progress, and following up on productivity regularly. There's a wealth of work that happens before the final invoice. Throughout the daily site management process, a lot of data and information needs to be compiled, organized, and managed. Currently, this is recorded manually on paper and repeatedly punched into various Excel spreadsheets to generate reports. Inspections are created based on handwritten notes and digital photos, then compiled manually into Word templates. This requires a lot of working hours and is a mammoth task. With DPMS, the order-to-invoice solution, it isn't anymore. DPMS was developed for daily operations in all KAEFER's core disciplines, including insulation, access solutions, surface protection, passive fire protection, electrical and mechanical services, refractory and specialist services. Regardless of whether it's for oil and gas, chemicals, energy production, mining or shipbuilding clients, DPMS fulfills your site-related requirements and supports you in your day-to-day work. It can be tailored to your individual site and client needs without programming, which makes it a unique solution in the market. DPMS can be used on any computer through a web browser without having to install additional software and on the DPMS Android app. Information recorded in the field is sent directly to the DPMS cloud and can be processed on a computer at the site office. Sounds good? It really is.